Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master Table 101. Sorry guys if I'm yawning. I'm just kind of exhausted. That's all. The market counter was interesting today. Um, as you know, today was a big day. This means the big days is big data. One of the big data was today is CPI report, and we were looking for it. And I was thinking the CPI is gonna be a good thing because that's the last CPI before the election, and they deliver. If you look at the news right now, the news said is the CPI show inflation lower, okay, show at pre-pandemic level. So basically, it's made a good sign for the market. I remember the last video I mentioned that yesterday. Yesterday I couldn't do any video because yesterday on Wednesday usually I take a time off just to clear my head. So basically that's one of the thing I like to do. So to clear my head so I can relax and then no less stress free because sometimes I'm tired and I'm sorry. Sometimes I'm tired, sometimes exhausted, so I'll take the day. Um, and the reason why I'm doing all the researches, so which stack and then I also I do the background also, which stack is better for me to buy, which stack is better for me to sell. I'm performing my craft, so basically to get a better trader every day and to get a better option and to have more accuracy. So that's the name of the game. And so far the market being smooth so far, and I enjoy it. I appreciate it. Thank you for everyone that's joining to the Discord and then being with me, read my texts, reply, and then those that answer me back and then ask question. Thank you, I appreciate it. I love you all, and I hope you guys make money, and I hope success in your life and prosperity. Um, due to that, let's go to the market. SP 500 make a dip. People wondering why SP 500 drop. The reason why it drop is very simple. A lot of people seek a profit. That's what it is. And when they seek a profit, it's mean like there's a good news. We don't know what's gonna happen, so let's seek a profit. I believe the market keep going like that. Tomorrow is probably is gonna drop a little bit more. So we don't know how low it's gonna get. So for now, it just the drop is getting showing right now is 1.15 basic point. So basically, a lot of people secure profit. Um, so now the CPI has couple things on it. So that's I'm gonna read to you. So basically the CPI is really interesting because it's kind of confused for me. I was like kind of confused. How can he beat and the next thing you know they feel like it's going downtrend. So it's kind of confusing. So let's read it. Monthly core inflation. Monthly core inflation rose by 0.3 in September, up from 0.2. So basically, August was 0.2, September was 0.3. The annual core increased to 3.3, and it was 3.2 last two prior months. So the core is increased by 0.01%, and the CPI overall rose 0.2. So basically, that's a bad news for the CPI. That's why I tell you guys, don't do SP 500 because you can get burned. I tried, it's gonna get burned because what happened is a lot of people go for the SP 500. Um, for more from 0.2, major contribution shelter is increasing, food is increasing, Medicare is increasing, Vehicle insurance is increasing and LFI is increasing. LFI is increasing at 3%, almost 4%. This is ridiculous. I think they increase it because of summer, because and also there's a hurricane that's been going on, and people trying to move back and forth. And also when the oil rise, that's also one indicator that's make the airfare goes high since the oil are high. So there's a lot of fight between Israel and Palestine. That's the reason why. The energy costs fell. That's a good thing. And gasoline, okay, that's decreased 6% for the past year. So basically compared for the past year, but the last month, the gas increased. Shelter is down, and then which is very good. And a used car also is going down. So basically that's a good impact to look at the market, and when it's called to CPR and stuff like that, even though there's a decrease. So basically it's beautiful. um the thing that's really worries about the transportation, it was because of the gas, so they have to increase the price. The food price rose because also of the shortage. They have a what is it called? They have a protest, union protest, and also so that's the reason why. So the economy is kind of iffy. They like the CPI rising is kind of worried about, and energy decline. And the Fed is just gonna be focused on the job report at this point, because he said that it's gonna take time for the market to react to whatever it is. And you can see the shelter is reacting differently. So the shelter showing like last year of the CPI. So basically that's what happened. As you can see on his SP500 Visa also could take it down. So the September show a mixed inflation. So basically, which is lowest point in February 2021. The core CPI is 3.3, so it's rising, while the energy prices decrease. So basically, we're gonna see the battle. This is gonna affect the consumer and then the business cost. So basically, if the energy decrease and then the shelter decrease, which is good. But the thing is, the gas that's kind of slowly increase. So basically, that's what engage the CPI kind of mixing, and then people don't know which one to learn in. So right now, people are more focused on the what's it called? Let me see. On the job report. That's where they're gonna focus on, because the job report gonna be the key to make it like is a good report or bad report. So we're gonna see what it is. The stuff I was watching yesterday. Sorry guys, I didn't post anything. So because and once again, let's go over the stuff will watch throughout the weeks. I was SCHW. Remember I bought a 67 option call. Look at that. 67 option call. Boom. See? 67, 29, 30. This is crazy. And also I was watching WM. Remember I told you WM is gonna be 212 when you go to 11. Well, today went to 213, and guess what? 213, and how much is that right now? 70. It went all the way to 150 yesterday, so it was a crazy chart. And also which stock I was watching, NTAP. I made a good money on NTAP. I bought it at 126, so basically it was at 65, and I bought it 126 and I sold it for 100 something. So basically it was a good bet. So basically what else did I buy? Um I was looking for TMT. Remember I told you it's gonna go 168, and then next thing you know it's gonna go to 172, and then once it goes 72 is gonna be, guess what today? 181. I mentioned that, remember? 170, and then next thing you know, boom, 100%. So basically the graph don't lie. And the parameters here, the graph don't lie. I'm telling you, this is the beauty of the graph right here. You're watching it or you're noticing it. So basically that's the point. SCRK, remember SCRK make a big impact was all the 32, and I told you and I mentioned that the stock gonna go down from there. If you did option put from there, because the price is lower than 100, when the stock market price is lower than 100, it's easily to short at this point. I see from tools, from Tuesday to today, it went from 35 to 24. So basically, if you make option put, let's see how much money you're gonna make. Option put is killing it. I see 100%, 136%, and it's gonna expire next week, which is crazy. It's beautiful. If people are shorting, congratulations. But if you think it's not failing, so that's sorry if you lose money on that. But this is the reality is kicking. So that's all it's about. Let me see. The Chinese market has a kind of rebound as well. As you can see, the Chinese kind of rebound. The Chinese market um deep before yesterday and yesterday, and now trying to go make the U-turn. Especially if the job report is doing good today. I mean not good today. For the CPI is going good. It's gonna go back again to 24 thousand to 400. So basically that's a good thing to buy, and then if you want that's a nice they put there. um the stock I'm watching, and Bitcoin also deep. Bitcoin he had a run. And remember I told you when the price goes below the MA5, it crossed below the MA5 on Tuesday, which is 62,400, and right now it go to 60,000. And yes, 60,000. Basically that's how it's Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is just go back and forth. So basically he has stable, and I know there's a lot of people gonna be like, is Bitcoin gonna go high forever? It's gonna go low. We don't know. It's just the market. The market is just doing things. So we just have to sit and watch. That's all we gotta do. There's nothing else we can do. Regardless if we choose a pick is a battle. So but the stock I'm watching is MP. MP is huh, I thought it was an oil company. Hmm. Is a Phyllis Morris. Let me see if it's really a I mean sorry, PM, not MP. PM is Phyllis Morris. I'm like, yeah, I'm like, something's wrong. It's my mistake. PM. So basically, PM, the reason I bought it because again, the price goes over MA8, which is on 19, and today you see, boom, clearly it jumped to 120. It was all the way to 120, 150. I was hoping it go to 122, and then right now I'm just not doing anything right now, just sit and then back and forth. And I believe people are scared to buy it right now because they still are thinking about the CPI is gonna affect the market, and also the job report and SP 500 is kind of doing his thing. So basically, I believe when the dust settle, it probably go to 122 or 123. So basically, I'm just speculating. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advice. I'm just guessing. And then if it doesn't, you can always secure, and then next thing you know, the option I bought the 122, the 122 option call. That's the one I bought. The 122 is kind of low right now. I'm losing money right now on it. So basically, I'm not worried because it happens so many times with a stock I bought, and it went down, and then the next couple of days and then went up. And at this point it just people fear getting the market because of CSV 500 going down. And the stock that made me money yesterday is Amazon. I sent the alert on my Discord. I tell people that if the report is good, Amazon gonna go to 190. But the point is the report wasn't that bad either. So basically, people are the scarcity. So basically, I end up I bought the 190. I bought it option call. Jeez. I bought the 190 for 32 cents, and I said this morning for 67. So basically, I totally make it bang. I make 100% on it. So 100%. So basically, my portfolio right now is almost 700%. So basically, which is a killer move, which is great. This is awesome. And you can join the journey as well on my Discord where I send the alert. And I believe it was gonna go higher since that one just crossed, and then now it's going lower. And I think people do seek a profit, or they drag it so they can go higher tomorrow, or people doesn't know, they kind of mix with the report. So I believe that's why most likely it's happening on this scenario. Yesterday also I sent an alert about which stock was booming, and then we were gonna see it right away. Which stock did I send the alert for people to watch and not able to to make money? I'll tell them to watch ZS. I tell them to watch it and then be able to make money, and then that don't hold it. And as you can see, boom, it went from 182 to 192 right now. If you bought option call yesterday, when I call out yesterday, it was you see 300%. That's from today, and yes, it was 200% again. So basically, if we go buy it for 200, that's 500%. So basically, for $20, that's $100. So basically, you buy 5x if you follow it. And but again, I'm not a financial advice. I'm just speculating. And in another stock, I was HAN. HON is a Honeywell. He make a nice big, you see a nice jump over here. Boom. It went from 206 to 13. It went all the way to 1,000%. If you go by the on Wednesday for 15, and then you say go all the way to 150. So basically make that operation with 10x. And then if you do it like after tomorrow, on the same day yesterday, it went from let me see. It went from yesterday. It went from 70 to 210. So basically, you probably approach to 300%. So giving or take is still making money. So people are making money. So I'm glad you guys are making money because this is going crazy, and oil company is going crazy. By today and tomorrow. You have XOP. XOP is an oil company as well. As you can see, it went from 180 and 138.8. 130, as you can see, drop, and then it's recover 128. And what I tell you, when you put 128.5, most likely you can go 139.5, probably go 140. So basically, SOP right now is 139.2. So basically, we're gonna see how high it's gonna get today, and if already up to 40%. So basically, people are killing it today. They go hard on the oil. I don't know if because of the Hurricane Elaine or the Hurricane Milton. I don't know why. Is one of the two that's make the oil go, or is still about to focus about the war. But we're still making money, profit out of it. So basically, it is what it is. I'm not worried about it. I'm just making money on top of it. So all that you gotta do, guys, is make money. Use the news to make profit, and look at the graph. The graph is your friend. The graph is the only thing you rely on. Everything else is just noise. Okay, it's just noise, because if you take your time to study the graph and then take note, you'll do fine. And always make a 20% profit. That's usually what is goal for I go for. But for I tried for the past 2 weeks, but this week, these 3 days, I try to do 50% to 100%, and guess what, I get 100% almost every other day. So basically, this is why I make 600% for the time being. So basically, you can always welcome to be part of the journey as well. And don't be scared to lose money. I tell people, use the money you're willing to lose. That's what it is. For example, if you want to buy um a pants costs $20, or if you want to buy a shoes cost probably cost $60 or $70, and on 1 month do not buy that shoes and just put in the market, and then find somebody that's good in stock and trading, and then yes, you make 20% daily on that 70 $70. 20%, that's $14. $14 daily in 1 week. That's how much? $70. So we already have that $70, and then you take it out the next week, you buy that shoes, and then you put the cycle, and then next thing you know, that 70 become 140, and then you do the next one is gonna be 280. So basically, from 70 to 280, that's good. So basically, that's 2 weeks, and then if you keep doing it, that's gonna be 560 the third week, and that's gonna be 1,000 from that $70 for 20% every day. So basically, if you invest $70 today, By next week it's gonna go 140 if you find a good somebody that can good alert, and then that's happy alert is gonna be 140, it's gonna be 140, and by the end of November it's gonna be $1,000. It'll be more than 10x, probably 15x. So basically you good, you said $1,000, you can take that out, you take $300, you can treat yourself a body shoes, and then treat yourself nice, and then just, and then so you know, now you do 700, you do that for the next month, it's gonna be 1,000 anymore. So it's gonna be $10,000. $10,000 to $3,000. You treat yourself. Now you got 7,000. 7,000 is gonna be, guess what? It's gonna be 100K. So in 3 months, from $70, $70 to 1,000, 1,000 to 700 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000. So basically from 3 months you already have 100K, and then if you did that for keep going consistently, and next thing you know, the following month, guess what, you had that million. Boom. So basically this is how math is simple. Trade is not that complicated, the number is not that complicated. All you gotta do is set a goal for 20% gain daily, and for that $7 in 1 month you turn 1,000, the following is gonna be 10,000, the following is gonna be 100,000, and the following is gonna be a million. So you can be a millionaire in a year. I mean in 3 to 6 months. I mean in 3 to 6 months you can be a millionaire if you have a good if you got a good strategy, if you put 20% gain daily. So that's how I advise you guys to become a millionaire. It's not that simple. I know it's gonna be a lot of hard work and then thinking about, but things about it is there's a principle you gotta know, and then once you apply it slowly, and then guess what? The market gonna be helping you out, and then next thing you know, you're gonna be, I know it's gonna be struggling, I know it's gonna be take time, I know you're gonna be nervous. Everyone been that there, everyone done that, but at the end of the day, you're making profit, you banking, you making money, and then people gonna look at you and be like, oh, 6 months ago what happened, everything's okay. 6 months ago I was broke, now I'm a millionaire. 6 months, and people gonna envy you, people gonna like you, they want to be your friend, but at this point it's too late, because now you're on the level and at the same level as them, and that elevate your life and then keep going, and by the end of the year you probably up to everything you can do, and then you buy everything, and then you set for life, for your family, for your friend, for your loved one, and the next thing you know, you good. That 6 months is for you to put in the work, and then you can start it like yesterday ago. But if you cannot, wait for your first paycheck or your last paycheck, do it next week, and then you can follow him on Discord where I send my alert for that 20% gain, so you can start there, and next thing you know, make money, and next thing you grow account, and next thing you know, you'll be looking nice, and people gonna hate you for it and love you for it, but at the end of the day, it's your money. You do what's best for you, and nobody can tell you to do otherwise. And for now, my portfolio is about 100 plus. So basically that's 600. So basically from 20, my 100 plus. I'm not gonna reveal on the how much I make until the end of the month. So basically until the end of October, this is when I'm gonna show you how much I have so far from that $20. And for now is 100 plus. So just saying from that $20, I'm 600%. So of course it's gonna be 100 plus. So basically, and my next goal, and I want to be by next week to go to reach 1,000 plus by next week, and then the following week is probably by the end of the month I'll probably get 10K, more than that. I'll probably get more than 10K, because at this point, once you reach 1K level, it just skyrocketing. You know, it's crazy. The first level is of for 20 to 100. The second level 100 to 1,000. The third level is 1,000. After 1,000, the 10,000 be easier. And then after the 10,000, 100,000. Once you get that 100,000, this is where the beauty can get, because now you're in stage that you can like make it a million, just like that. 3 million just like that, 5 million just like that, because now you know what you're doing. Your state is mind is focused, and you can do whatever you want, and then now you can follow through. You know what works and what doesn't work. You can keep going, and so you know, boom, making money. So if you don't mind, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and this one.